Hi YouTubers, welcome back to another video. Now this is the new end of the layout, just to let you know what I've been doing. Sort of finished my goods shed, which you can now see is less inside, so it's actually got a full interior. It's a bit hard to see everything that's in there, but I think that's come up rather well, apart from being like a cool daylight LED. I may change it to like a warm white, which is more prototypical to the time. Nifty sign I liked. So just been finishing off this corner a bit. Been playing around with the backdrops and some photos I printed off the internet. Certain angles that not perfect, but looks a lot better than the white wall. And I changed my backdrop next to the Blitz house with some more terraces. Quite happy with how it's coming up. Signs are added, a bit more scatter put down. Still not happy with, there is a small siding in there, but due to space constraints it's too close to the main line, and I can only actually stable one 0-16.5 wagon due to the width of them at 45mm, so that may get lifted out. Plus I seem to have a small electrical problem with shunting wagons onto that siding, but gotta have a fiddle around with that. Not a lot changed here. This section here you've seen on numerous videos is now sort of finished. I've taken out the engineering shed diorama, and I'm going to put a piece of plywood in here, which will still be a removable section, but it's going to be a lead-in track and probably two slightly longer sidings. But I'm just sort of playing around with how it would work and operate at the moment. There's another nifty picture I got off the internet, which maybe get put between two buildings there. Anyway, that's about all I've done in the last weekend. Just let the box cab push its wagon back on west down the line, and we'll catch up next time. That was a bit fast there. I have to invest in a better controller, guys. It's got a really good Hornby mechanism under that locomotive, but I can't get it to run slow enough, so I'm going to get myself a much better handheld DC analog controller until I can afford a new DCC, and I'll put a DCC chip back in and possibly play around with some sound. But it is a little frustrating. It's especially on a small layout like this. I like my locos running slowly. We'll get it to pick up the box car. Still too fast.